Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Netflix video lagging. So let's just get straight into the video. Here are a couple of immediate troubleshooting steps and even account fixes that you can follow through. The first is going to be restarting everything. So either you're on a TV streaming stick or computer or even your phone, simply go ahead and restart everything. Unplug your router for at least 30 seconds to clear network congestion as well. Go to fast.com or any other site to ensure that you have at least 5 MBs of HD or 15 MBs for 4K streaming. The other thing you could try to do is going to be updating your software. So simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using. Simply go ahead and search for Netflix, just like that, and then click on the application. There's going to be a blue update button if there are any updates available. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.